Good morning. Good morning. Today is October 11th. Today is Tuesday. Just looking at the overall economical calendar today, you guys can see we have at 11 a.m. 5-year inflation expectations, and then we have a Fed speaker at 12 o'clock. So definitely want to pay attention to those. Overall, let's jump over to the charts. First stock we're looking at is Amazon. Seems to be finding some type of support over here on the 180-day 4-hour at that 111. So we want to see that get broken first, that 111 area. If we are looking for any type of downside, MACD is crossed down. RSI is a little bit more on the oversold side, so you definitely would be careful for a possible double bottom, especially since this area was a level of support before the bounce. If you're looking for a bounce, watch for the break of 114.50, and we could start getting up towards those 118 levels. If not, and we break that area and the market is weak today, watch for that 111 break, and then we could start basically pushing down towards 108 down here, which was a previous support. Next stock we're going to talk about is NVIDIA. NVIDIA has been extra weak lately. We flushed through our major support we had yesterday at 120. We ended up at 114. If it breaks 114, we could start going to 110. To the upside, watch for the break of 118, the break of the trade line, then we can start going to 120, possibly higher. It is a little bit more on the oversold side, but anything could happen in this market. Next one we're going to talk about is Tesla. Looking at Tesla over here, you can see Tesla, same kind of situation as most stocks, underneath that 180-day EMA line, acting as resistance. You need to see a break of 217 for downside. RSI is a little bit more on the oversold side, but definitely want to be cautious with this market. If we break that 217, we could basically start pulling back down towards 209. So watch out for that. Or if we have a bounce, RSI is oversold, MACD looks like it wants to cross up. So watch for the break of 224, which is going to be the break of the EMA line, 224, then we could start going up towards 232 on Tesla. So watch out for that. Set your alerts. Last but not least, going to talk about the SPY. SPY basically had a pretty choppy day yesterday, but we woke up and we basically woke up lower than we were yesterday. So we woke up right next to that 355. RSI is a little bit more oversold side. MACD is still crossed down. One thing we want to watch is, are we going to break the MACD to the upside today? Is this going to be a double bottom pattern where you break it that 360 and start pushing up towards 368? We have been selling off quite a bit on a lot of names, as you guys can see. So this could be a perfect bounce area before we basically bounce and figure out what the market's going to do from there. Or we could bounce, hit this trade line at 360, reject it, and come back lower. So jumping over towards the 20-day over here so you guys can see things a little clearer. If we do come back lower, you can see we're trying to hold above that 20-day trade line over here. If we do come back lower, watch for the break of 358. Once we break 358, we can start going 356. You want to watch for the break of 355 for full confirmation of bearishness, and then we can start going down toward 350. Overall, if we jump over towards the 1 year, the 1 year does look like it wants to cross down. So let's see what happens this morning. If this 1 year does cross down, we could see a significant drop in the overall market. Or if we end up finding some type of support, we could see a bounce towards that 368, which is the 1 year EMA line. So that's going to be it. Very, very high volatility lately. So let's hopefully that continues, especially as day traders. That's what we're looking for. Make sure you guys leave a like and comment below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.